Hello class, this short video demonstrates how to submit work on Blackboard. So first we are going to go to an assignment. We're going to go to the literacy narrative that is due today. I'm just going to click on the name of this assignment, Literacy Narrative. This is a link to the submission page. On this page you see the due date for the assignment, and you can access the rubric that explains the criteria by which I evaluate your paper. You have two options. You can write your submission or browse your computer to upload a file. I strongly prefer that you attach a file because it is simply easier for me to give you feedback on an attached file. So click Browse My Computer and find your file in the drive that you saved it to. Select it. You will see here that your file is prepared to be uploaded to Blackboard. Submit your papers to the Global Reference Database. This adds your paper to a database of papers that allows SafeAssign, a plagiarism check tool, to compare all papers to yours to make sure no one is plagiarizing. Once you have done that, you would come down here and click Submit. As I said, I strongly prefer that you attach a file instead of write a submission, but if for some reason attaching a file is not an option for you, here's how you write a submission. Click Write Submission. This text box opens up and you just paste your text into there. Please note that you cannot right-click on Blackboard. It'll say, nope, you can't do that. So what you need to do is press Control-V or Command-V on Mac, Control-V on PC, and it will paste your paper. And then again, when you've done that and you're ready, click Submit at the bottom of the page. Don't click Save Draft, that won't submit your paper. Click Submit. So you can write a submission, or as I prefer, attach a paper, but whatever you do, do not submit your paper as a comment. This comment can be, I hope you like my paper, or sorry this is late, or I have a few errors, but overall I think it's pretty good. But whatever you do, do not paste your paper there. I cannot read it as a comment. So that's it. Once you have either pasted your paper as a written submission or uploaded your file, you press Submit. And on the next page, you will see your paper here. You will get a submission confirmation number, and you can also view the rubric again to see how this will be graded. If you do this incorrectly, you realize you've messed up and you need to do it again, just come over here, press Start New, and that will take you right back to that submission page. If you have any questions about this process, please email me.